Aloha everybody, it's your boy Harley Fat Boy Jr. here, back with another video. Super excited, feel like I've been away for a little bit, but I'm back. So let's get it started. So what we're going to be doing today is swapping out the comm system that I currently have in my helmet with the new comm system. Right now I'm running the Cardo Freecom 4 Plus in my Scorpion EXO R420 EC rated helmet with a Cardo Tac Talk Bold. Yeah! As well as installing the purple Panda Lavalier mic that I'll be using for my motovlogging moving forward. So super exciting times. We have a special guest, my boy Big Ben, aka Super Deuce. Look him up on YouTube. I'll leave the link to his channel in the description below, so check him out. Ben, mahalo for your services, sir. Let's get this going. Boom. All right, here we go. Do a little install right now. I'm gonna swap out some stuff. Use this Tac Talk Bold. Ben, what we got in the helmet right now?
You have the Bluetooth communicator, Cardo Freedom 4.
Oh yeah, the Freedom 4. Yeah. So we're gonna change it out, see what connectivity is like with the Tac Talk Bold on there. Cause Ben's got,
I've got the Bold as well. It's
got
the mesh communication.
He's got a brand new one, huh?
Yeah.
Baller. All right, so we swap this out and see what's what. Boom. All right, so go ahead and remove what I already got on there. Take this stuff off. Ben's unpacking right now. Call Ben Steady Hand Ben. Monster hands, but they're like, it's like a smooth operator. So get that going. And boom.
Your charging cable should work for this one.
Should be the same, huh?
Yeah.
Should be the same charging kit. Yeah.
Yep. Okay.
Sweet. Well, yeah, it's a beautiful day in Oregon. About to head over to Latest Motors in Gladstone. Got a little ride going on today. What do they call it?
It's a dealer ride, I guess. I don't know if they have a name for it, but
Let's see what they got going on over there. What's up, big boy? All right. See, like the.
where is that coming out at the front?
Yeah, so it's gonna. Yeah, so I was thinking about having.
Oh, you want this one to come out the other side, right?
Yeah, probably should be opposite, huh? Not the same. Yeah.
So this one we have.
The chin curtain right there.
Here, yeah.
Yeah,
So we
snap
put
in
the
there.
other one right here.
Okay.
So I would probably take this side off then.
Okay. My bad.
That's alright.
So also got the purple Panda lavalier mic. That I'll be using with my GoPro 9. So a little ass backwards with everything. Obviously, I got my GoPro 9. Got to go, the purple Panda and all the gear that I needed to kind of motovlog, but I haven't been keeping the videos up, so don't worry about it. We'll get there.
So
yeah. So that's the adapter that you need.
So that's got to come up here.
Right. So this part should most likely be outside of the helmet, and I can use like
gaffer's tape.
Gaffer's tape, yeah, to kind of pin that down.
So the rest of this could be tucked. How far do you need this to come forward? Because you probably don't want it too loose.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. So this mounts. So this is gonna go, and it's right there, like just right in the front. So
on this side or this side?
It's gonna be. Yeah.
So the mic door.
So it's gonna on that side. Okay. Yeah.
So if I just leave it loose right here, you
can... Yeah, I can probably finagle it, or just tuck whatever I need to tuck in there.
So it's not in the way of the.
All right, so tucking the wire in. Sweet.
So yeah, because this has to go inside and tuck all in down inside.
All inside.
So I'm gonna use this gap right here to hide the wiring.
Okay, perfect.
So I'm gonna probably fish it back and forth because that's a lot of wire.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna see if I can get as much as I can down inside the lining first. And what I did is I pulled this far forward close to your chin curtain. That way this will have some slack to pull out if you need to.
Alright, cool. Alright, so Ben's leaving me a little slack there. So when I do actually do the deed, we'll be all set to go. Steady hands. See me on the other hand. These fat poi pounders. Not so steady. Alright, it wasn't the plan today, but Ben's hooking it up, so get going on this.
Might as well, we're in here.
Yeah, we're in there. Oh, see, I like that attitude. So is there a reason why you chose the Pack Talk Bowl, or just in general the Cardo over the Senna?
I had the 20S, and I just had, I'd say the sound quality was all right. The music volume was not very loud. Like I'd have to have it maxed out. And then when I did have it maxed out, it was very piercing. Like it wasn't just loud, like comfortably loud.
Yeah,
it was piercing. Like it hurt my ears just to hear it over the engine noise.
Yeah.
And all that.
Oh, crazy.
But they've made advancements. The 20S was definitely an older model, but I have the helmet I have, the Neotech 2 has it integrated. So I didn't really have a choice. It's just the one that
you
came.
said built those?
Yes. So then this was actually a gift. So I had to make sure I could find a way to fit it on that helmet.
Nice.
And then when I put it on, you know, with the JBL and everything, of course, it was amazing. It sounded great. The voice recognition was amazing. And when they had new software updates, it just made it even better.
Oh, nice.
So I can even communicate to, I have an Android, so OK Google and all that would bring it right up. I could access Pandora or make phone calls. Like, it was amazing.
Right.
So we're looking for you have a little mounting piece so that we can Velcro this to it, or are we just going to tuck it in here so that it just kind of
Yeah, I was just going to tuck it. It didn't really come with anything, yeah. Okay. I just figured just tuck it. Tuck and roll, baby. So tuck that by the chin curtain, yeah? Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is, just chuck it kind of equal to where your other mic is set on the other side.
Okay, perfect.
And then once we get the cheek pad in there, that should hold everything in there nice and tight.
All right, perfect.
Okay.
All right,
so this is where it's sitting right now. I don't know if that's going to touch your mouth. I mean, it's obviously big.
Yeah, no, that's good.
So you have your other mic's going to be over here, and this is going to be right here.
Sweet. So I got my mic for the Cardo pack hooked up, as well as the purple Panda for my GoPro 9.
So the only thing, after talking to Cardo, though, they said they recommend you to have the Cardo microphone a centimeter from your mouth, but they want it directly in front. Okay. So since we already have your Velcro patch, it almost, I'd say it's right about here. Yeah. So I'm just going to try to get it as close to the front of your mouth as possible. Okay.
But the Velcro's already set in there, huh?
Yeah. So, but see how long it is? We had the mic set way over here. We can actually set it over here. Okay, cool. Because I think it's going to be...
You guys see that? Huh? A Velcro action? All right. So in case you guys are wondering, this helmet is a Scorpio helmet, and the model is the XO
R420.
R420 matte black. Got a good deal on this bad boy. Obviously, change out the visor for that sleek mirrored look. But yeah, you guys might notice that the audio is a lot better now. I got my GoPro Media Mod hooked up, so. And the lighting should be better.
So now
look at that slakeage. Yeah. Okay, one side is done.
Oh, first.
All right, getting the clip on there.
I can see where you're opening this, so we're going to try to match where it was.
Sounds good. Putting the clip on.
I don't know if it'll be easier to put the whole thing together first. Maybe it will.
Nice and solid, huh?
Yeah.
Good quality.
Give me a little more leverage. Get it up a little bit.
Yeah. Sweet, look at that. That is not going anywhere. So guys, looking to do this, if you're new, use a little bit of to get that bad boy in there. Sweet. Boom. Connection. Oh yeah.
Just so it's not hitting your neck or your head.
Well, I don't really have a neck, but appreciate the thought. Alright. Look at that mic. Boom. Look at that. Right there to the front. Yeah, buddy. Little tuck action. Steady hands. Yeah.
Now this one, I want to get it all the way past this because this is where the liner is going to go.
Oh, it's right. I just had to go in there too, right?
Yeah, so I want to get this in there as far as I can so it's not interfering.
Sweet.
And then this part, because it's bulky, is going to fit in the liner between that little cup. So it's going to.
Oh, right. Okay, so it goes on the inside. Okay,
Yeah.
perfect.
So I hope it shouldn't.
Once that, yeah.
I just want to get these wires in there so they're
Nice.
clean from the outside.
Doesn't Ben remind you of Hannibal Lecter? Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Oh, yeah.
Okay, I feel a little resistance over here.
Alright, so it's the old one. Yeah, definitely a little bit smaller. But still legit. I mean, this thing is, you know, bulky and pretty sav. And also JBL speakers. Yeah, so we're all set. Sweet. Boom.
Yeah, it's really hard to get a camera in here.
Yeah, no, you're good. I mean, once you get your hands in there, though, you just gotta kind of feel around, though.
Yep. Yeah, it's gotta feel where the snaps are.
Ooh. You hear that? Not one, but two snaps.
Alright, so that should do it. So now we just gotta program it.
Sweet. Look how sleek that looks, though. Ooh-wee. Look at that.
So,
Black on black. Sexy. Yeah. All right. So that was pretty much the hard part install of this.
oh yeah.
I think that does come out a little bit. I feel like it's come out before.
Yeah, it just snaps in.
Yeah.
When I pulled it out from the back.
Sweet.
There's up and over the top for the antenna.
So physically, that was it, man. Benji?
Yeah.
Mahalo, sir. That was awesome.
I don't think so. If it does, I can't remember.
Yeah. All right, guys. Newly installed. Got my purple Panda mic in there. My lavalier mic. Obviously using my GoPro 9. And then just installed the Pack Talk Bolt Cardo. Cardo over Santa, baby. All day. But yeah, everything's all set on my Scorpion XO R420 helmet. And we are headed out for a ride. Boom. Let's go. All right. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Just want to kind of share my setup, and you know, if you guys are thinking about doing your own, you know, hopefully it helps. Definitely wanted to get some content out there to you guys. But I love the setup. You know, I'm super excited to share more of what's to come moving forward. You know, especially having a comm system and starting to motovlog and kind of start sharing some rides. So again, thanks for watching. Ben, thank you so much, sir. Again, hit him up, Super Deuce. I'll leave again the link to the description below, as well as all the products that I'm using. I'll put in the description below. Hopefully this helped. If you did like the video, please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know. Give me some feedback. If you didn't like the video, go ahead and drop some elbows. 2 of them on that dislike button. Appreciate it, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you guys soon. Boom. Let's get it.